In this lesson, the video focuses on contractions that shorten the word have. So we have two columns. The first column has two words. I have, you have, we have, they have, could have, would have. And the second column are their contractions. I've, you've, we've, they've, could've, would've. Now with kids, go over the steps that make the contraction. Two words joined together. The letters H, A are tossed out and replaced with an apostrophe. Since kids learn from doing, I have them make the contractions we just talked about. I pass out the template to make the 6 contractions. With kids, I demonstrate the first contraction, pointing to the words I have. Then I fold on each dotted line toward the center. Then I write I on the first side and then apostrophe VE on the other side. And this is the contraction I have. Now have kids complete this practice page. It has 2 columns. Fill in the missing word and fill in the missing contraction. The first one on each column is an example to follow. This is a completed example. Have kids check their answers. Now have kids complete this practice page. They need to fill in the correct contraction for each sentence. Demonstrate the first sentence for them. They have fed their puppy. They have needs to become a contraction, which would be they've. And it's THEY apostrophe VE, and it has a capital because it is the first word in the sentence. Have kids complete the rest of the practice page. Then review with them the contractions. Begin with they have becomes they've, I have becomes I've, we have becomes we've, you have becomes you've, could have becomes could've, would have becomes would've. Have kids put an X in the square next to the correct sentence for each picture. Before they begin, review the first example with kids. Since they need to put an X in the box next to the right sentence that supports the picture, have them look at the picture for a few minutes, then read the sentences, we've returned to the farm and I've returned to the farm. Now have them read the first sentence again. We've returned to the farm. And there's an arrow pointing to we've, which says more than one person. Now read the second sentence. I've returned to the farm. I've represents one person. There are 2 people on the tractor. Since we have in the first sentence means more than one person and there are 2 people on the tractor, making we've the correct answer. And X goes in the first box. Now kids fill in the first box and finish the rest. And these are the correct answers to review with kids. This is a contraction chart that kids can use for the contractions have and refer to it when they need to. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you've already subscribed, thank you. And as always, I will leave the link in the description section for all the templates in this video.